Good morning, students. In 12th chemistry, now today we are start the new chapter, alcohol, phenol, and ether. In this topic, the three functional groups we are together study. Now, in this one, first one, definition of the alcohol. Now, in this alcohol, the hydroxyl group is attached to the saturated carbon atom. In this, it is the organic compound. Alcohol is the organic compound. In this, the OH group means hydroxyl group is attached to the aliphatic saturated compound. For example, ROH. It is the alcohol. In this, the hydroxyl group is attached to the saturated aliphatic carbon atom. For example, CH3OH. It is the methyl alcohol. There are the so many aliphatic alcohol. Examples of the alcohol like C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, like C3H7OH, propyl alcohol, etc. Now second one, that is the aromatic alcohol. Now in this aromatic alcohol, there are the two types. One is the phenol and another one is the aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol. Now out of this, first we can study the definition of the phenol. Now phenol means, phenol, it is also the aromatic compound in which the hydroxyl group OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. It is called as the phenol. For example, this is the example of the phenol. Another example, naphthol also there. Now this is the first example is the phenol. Second example is the naphthol. Naphthol. Like this. In this, the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. It is called as the phenol. Now second, aromatic alcohol. In this, the OH group is present in the side chain of the aromatic ring, aromatic compound. For example, now this OH group, it is not directly attached to the aromatic ring, but it is present in the side chain of the aromatic ring. Therefore, this OH is present in the side chain. Therefore, it is called as the aromatic alcohol. Now, the name of this compound, it is the benzyl alcohol. Now, these are the definition of alcohol and phenol and aromatic alcohol. Now, we have studied the definition of the ether. Definition of ether. In this one, the oxygen atom, it is present in between the two alkyl group. Now R means alkyl group. The oxygen atom, it is present in between the two alkyl group, or it is present in between the one alkyl and one aryl group, means one is the alkyl and another is the aromatic ring, or it is present in between the two aromatic ring, then these are called as ether. Now for example, this CH3O C2H5. Now in this the two alkyl group is present, one is CH3, another one is the C2H5. Then it is called as alphabetically first E comes one, therefore the name is methyl ether. Now this CH3O benzene or CH3. Now it is the methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. Now third one example, ArOAr. Both are aromatic ring one, then two phenyl rings are present, then it is the name is diphenyl ether. Therefore the definition of ether is, in this the oxygen atom is present in between the two alkyl group, this is the example, or in between the one alkyl and one aryl group, or in between the two aryl group. These are the examples of these structures one. Now next one, we can study the classification of the alcohol. Next term, classification of alcohol. Now this classification, it can based on the number of hydroxyl groups, that is mono, second di, third one tri, and last one pentahydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and trihydric alcohol and pentahydric alcohol. In this monohydric alcohol, the name itself suggests there is only one OH group is present in this alcohol, C2H5OH. Example. Now the name is ethyl alcohol. Second one, dihydric means two OH groups are present, CH2, CH2. Two OH groups are present, CH2OH, CH2OH. It is ethylene glycol. The name is ethylene glycol. Third one, trihydric alcohol. In this, the three OH groups are present. In this example, you can write the bond between the carbon and oxygen. Then in these three hydroxyl groups are present. The example name is, it is the glycerin. It is the glycerin. Then pentahydric alcohol, in this more than 4 hydroxyl groups are present. That is called as pentahydric alcohol. The example, in this one, the 6 OH groups are present, are attached to the 6 carbon atoms. The name of this example, it is the sorbitol. The common name is the sorbitol or hexahydric alcohol. Hexahydric alcohol. These are the 4 types of the alcohol. Now next one, this monohydric alcohol, it can be further classified into 4 subtypes. This monohydric alcohol, it can be classified into 4 subtypes Out of this, the first one is the alcohol containing sp3COH bond. Write down the sp3 at the bottom of the carbon. sp3COH bond means in this the OH group, it is attached to those carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, therefore it is called as alcohol containing sp3COH bond. For example, CH3 CH2 OH. Now this sp3 COH bond, it is also classified in the primary, secondary and tertiary COH bond. Primary means it contains the ROH bond. For example, CH3 CH2 OH. Now it is the primary alcohol. Example is the ethyl alcohol. Now secondary means in this the carbon atom, it is sp3 hybridized, but it is secondary one. It is called as secondary COH bond. Now for example, now it is in this one 5 carbon atoms are present in long chain pent 3-ol. We can study how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature. Then next one, tertiary one, RCRROH. Then it is the tertiary. It is the tertiary alcohol. This is the tertiary, but it is sp3 hybridized. In this 3-1, the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, but it is the primary, secondary and tertiary. For example, now it is tertiary butyl alcohol. The name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Now like this in monohydric alcohol, there are the 3 subtypes of sp3COH bond. Like this in this monohydric alcohol, next one is the allylic alcohol. In this next one is the allylic alcohol. Now students, we can also study this allylic alcohol in halogen derivative classification also. Allylic means carbon-carbon double bond is present. Now the definition, in this the OH group is attached to those carbon atom which next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Then it is called as the allylic alcohol. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 OH. Now this OH, it is attached to those carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, but next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Listen here, in monohydric alcohol, next subtype is the allylic alcohol. In this, the hydroxyl group is attached to those carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, but it contains next to the carbon-carbon double bond. It is called as the allylic alcohol. Now in this, 3 carbon atoms are present. Therefore, it is prop. Now in this functional group, it is 1, 2, 3. 2 in and 1 ol. It is the IUPAC nomenclature. Now next subtype is the benzylic alcohol. Third one, benzylic alcohol. The heading itself suggests here means in this the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring. For example, now this OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring. Therefore, it is called as the benzylic alcohol. The example name is benzyl alcohol. It is the benzyl ring. Benzyl alcohol. Now, next one, D, that is vinyl alcohol. That is vinyl alcohol. Now, next in this monohydric alcohol, next subtype is the D, alcohol containing sp2COH bond. sp2COH bond. Now in this the OH group is attached to those carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. Now it is also in example is CH2 double bond CHOH. CH2 double bond CHOH. Now this is also called as the example name is vinyl alcohol. Therefore, this heading it is also called as vinylic alcohol. In this, the OH group is attached to the sp2. Now, how can you identify by the structure? This carbon is sp2 because it contains the one double bond and two single bond. Therefore, it is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. It is the vinyl group, vinyl alcohol. Now next one, after this classification of the alcohol, now we are studied the classification of the phenol. Now as like the alcohol, this phenol is also classified into mono, di, tri and tri, like this one. Now first one, monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol means in this only one OH group is attached to the aromatic benzene ring. This is the example phenol. Second, dihydric phenol means in this the aromatic ring contain the two OH group. Now here in IUPAC we can write the number to this ring 1, 2 benzene, 1, 2 diol. Benzene 1, 2 diol. This is the dihydric phenol. Now third one, trihydric phenol means in this one the 3, you can write number of example in this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore it is benzene 1, 3, 4 triol. 1, 3, 4 triol. Now these are the classification of the phenol. Monohydric alcohol means only one OH group is attached to aromatic benzene ring. Phenol example. Dihydric means two OH groups are attached to aromatic benzene ring. Any example you can write here. Now trihydric means three OH groups are attached to the aromatic benzene ring. Now next one, we can study the classification of the ether. Classification of next one, ether. Now in ether there are the two types are present. One is the symmetrical ether. Now it is also called as simple ether, and another one is the unsymmetrical ether. It is also called as mixed ether. Symmetrical ether means in this you can already studied the representation of the ether. Now in this both the aliphatic alkyl group or aromatic ring are same. Both alkyl groups are same. Therefore it is called as symmetrical ether. For example, CH3O CH3. The name is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Any example you can write. If you write C2H5O C2H5O, diethyl ether. The next one, like two same phenol benzene rings are present. Two same benzene rings are present. Therefore it is diphenyl ether. Diphenyl ether. Like this, first one is the symmetrical ether. Second one, unsymmetrical means in this the both alkyl groups are different one. Like this, one is R, another one is the R dash, means both are different one, or AR, like this one. For example, CH3O C2H5. Now in this alphabetically E comes first one, ethyl, methyl ether. Or another example, C6H5 means benzene ring. Now here it is the methyl phenyl ether. Phenyl ether. Like this, there are the two types in ether. One is the symmetrical means simple ether, both alkyl groups are same, and another one is the unsymmetrical ether, both alkyl groups are different. These are the example. Therefore student, in this topic we can study today the definition of the alcohol, then phenol, aromatic alcohol, then ether. Next one, classification of the alcohol, then classification of monohydric alcohol, then classification of phenol, and last one, classification of ether. Thank you.